video, we will see how to make a visualforce page public so it can be accessed from anywhere without logging in into your Salesforce account. As you can see, I have already created a visualforce page which just displays hello world using H1 tag. Now if I click on preview button, we will be able to see the output of this visualforce page, which is hello world. And now if we just copy the link and open this link into a new private window, then the page will not be accessible and the login page will be visible, and after that we will be able to view the output of that visualforce page. As you can see that a page is not visible. So in order to make this page public, we have to follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to home from setup. So from setup you have to go to home and search for sites. Click on sites. After that you have to register the domain. So let me register it. It will take some seconds for registration. Now it's done. Let's create a new site. I will name it hello world, and for active site home page, select the visualforce page which you want to see without login. So let me click on this and search for hello world and select it. Now click on save. It will take some time to save. I think it's saved because that's why it is saying that name is already taken. As you can see, it is saved. Activate the site. Once the site is activated, click on the URL. As we are already logged in, we will see the hello world, but also if we open this URL from private window and open the page, now also we will be able to see the hello world or that specific visualforce page. So these are the steps to make any visualforce page public by enabling sites and creating the sites and using that visualforce page while creating those sites. Thank you very much. That's it in this video. We will discuss some more topics in